Christian scholar went there to make research for another purpose. Incidentally, he came upon this, and he recorded this incident in his book entitled Among the Dervishes. Anybody can see that book. So that positively proves that when Jesus went to the east and traveled up to Kashmir, the message he carried was that of unity. And as such, the people, when they accepted Islam, they got completely merged. First Buddhism, then Islam, then they were completely merged with new messages, and all traces of that were wiped out except for the existence and the presence of Jesus in that part of the world. Right?
Yes.
Another question?
Just one more thing, Hazur.
Yes, please.
Did Jesus ever made any attempt or tried to reach the people he left in Middle East?
Try to do what?
To contact those people he left in Middle East, his followers.
You see, the researchers are now trying to find out what St. Paul meant when he said he saw Jesus many times and he delivered other messages to him and instructed him. Some believe that because Jesus was alive when he was taken down from the cross, because he migrated to those parts of the world where the lost tribe of Israel had earlier migrated. So during the delivery of his ministry, he came upon St. Paul. And when he said he saw him, actually he saw Jesus Christ himself. And he came into repeated contact with him. That is conjecture. But this scholar which I have mentioned tells us that he once returned from Kashmir up to Herat and to look after their creed and inquire about their faith and character. So if he came back that far, he might have ventured even further, but that is again a conjecture. But up to Herat, we know there is evidence that he returned once again and inquired about their well-being and their faith, etc.
Thank you, sir.
Yahya said that he is the direct executive descendant of the
Yes. Now I have been reminding by Hasan San Sahib that it is also attributed to Abba Yahya that he claimed that he is the direct 60th descendant of Jesus Christ, in office perhaps.
No, the direct lineage.
But that is doubtful, I should say. But you should not accept everything. You should also sift the material logically. Maybe he might have claimed to be the office holder of the 60th generation.
Married, and therefore on the day he married, and we are in 60th, higher than 60th lineage.
But again, I should accept it with a pinch of salt, not without it.